Hi kids, welcome to Little English Learners. Today we will learn a story of a magical family. Once upon a time in a faraway country, there was a magical house. This house could move, and it could also heal people. And the people who lived in this house were called the Madrigals. All of them had special powers because they were all related to magic. But one of them, Mirabel, did not have any power at all. One day, Mirabel's family gathered for their annual family meeting. The leader of the family was the grandmother named Ulita. She could heal people by cooking them delicious food. Then there was her husband, who could make plants grow with just a touch. Their daughter Isabella could control flowers and make them bloom. Their other daughter Luisa was super strong. She could lift heavy rocks and even houses. Their son Bruno could see into the future. But nobody listened to Bruno because he always said bad things would happen. And then there was Mirabel. She was the only one who couldn't do any magic. But one day something terrible happened. The magic of the house was fading away. If they couldn't bring it back, they would lose their powers forever. Everyone got very scared because they didn't know what to do. But Mirabel decided to bring back the magic and save her family. She went to see Bruno, her uncle, who everyone had forgotten about. He told her that there was a crack in the foundation of the house, and if they could fix it, the magic would come back. Bruno told her that the candle gave their family magic, but it was also making the magic go away. It was tired of being used for selfish reasons. Mirabel decided to talk to her grandmother, Ulita, about what she had heard. She said the magic wasn't gone because of a curse. The candle was just keeping itself safe, so no one could use it in a bad way. But Mirabel didn't understand why her family hadn't noticed this before. Her grandmother said that when the candle first came, they were happy to have its magic. They never thought it would lose its power. They just kept taking and taking, but never gave anything back. Isabella felt really bad. She had used the candle's magic for so many years to make beautiful flowers bloom for her own enjoyment. She had never thought about how the candle might feel. Now, she understood that she needed to do something to make it happy again. Luisa felt bad too. She used her strength for small things like lifting heavy boxes or moving rocks just to show off. She knew she could have used her strength to help more people, and she wished she did. She was very strong. She realized that sometimes she needed help from others too. And then there was Mirabel. She had always felt left out because she couldn't do any magic. But now she knew that her family's problems were because of her. When they had lost their powers, they had all become very selfish and mean to each other. They had forgotten what it was like to be a normal family. Mirabel knew that she had to change all of this. So she called a family meeting. She told them that the candle wasn't mad at them, but that it was sad because they had never asked it what it wanted. She said they shouldn't use its magic just for themselves, but they could ask for help when they really needed it. Mirabel's family was very ashamed of themselves, but they promised to do better in the future. Then Mirabel went to talk to the candle. She told it that her family was sorry for what they had done, and that they promised to never take its magic for granted again. Mirabel could feel the candle's sadness and anger, but also its love for her family. In that moment, Mirabel understood that the candle's magic wasn't just about having special powers. It was also about being a family. It was about helping each other and making each other happy. As Mirabel talked to the candle, she could feel its magic flowing through her body. She didn't have powers like her family, but she realized that she could use the candle's magic in her own way. She hugged the candle and felt its magic fill her up. Then she went to find her family. She didn't have any powers, but she had something better. Her whole family loved and cared for her. They all said sorry for how they treated her and promised to be nicer. From that day on, Mirabelle's family started working together again. They helped each other and made each other happy. And the magic of the house returned. But most importantly, they learned that magic isn't just about having special powers. It's also about being a family. So this is the end of the story. Now let's learn today's lesson. Now I will tell you 10 new words from this story with their meanings and examples for you. Number 1, faded. It means to become weak or less bright. As an example, the colors of the rainbow faded away. Number 2, advantage. Means something that helps you to be better or more successful than others. As an example, she didn't want to use the candle's magic for an advantage. Number 3, heal. It means get better or make something better after being hurt or sick, as an example. Family use magic to heal people. Number 4, annual. What means happening every year. It was their annual family meeting. Number 5, selfish. It means to only think about yourself and not about the rights or feelings of others. Example, they had become selfish and mean to each other. Number 6 is tradition. A tradition is something that is done regularly or followed for a long time by people in a family or a group. Example, helping each other was a tradition in their family. Number 7 is replacement. It means a person or thing that takes the place of another. As an example, we can say, is there a replacement for the special candle? Number 8, fulfilled. It means to do what you are supposed to do. Example, Mirabelle's wish was fulfilled. Number 9, treasure. It means something very valuable or precious. Example, the Madrigal family was her greatest treasure. Last one is wonderful. Wonderful means very good and enjoyable. As an example, we can say, as it was a wonderful day for the family. Now, you can practice these words and improve your knowledge. If you liked this story, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching, Little English Learners. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.